Agata, we thank you for your time today. So, for someone considering synthetic turf for their home, what are some of the key considerations you would recommend for them?
Well, Tom, this is a perfect example, this area over here. It's a typical size of the backyard in current housing market. So 30-40 squares. Synthetic turf is ideal for those kind of applications. And yes, when you're selecting synthetic turf, you just have to think about the purpose of the use. So
yes.
Is it purely recreation, leisure kind of application, yes, or are we having pets? Do we have kids? Are we installing synthetic turf around pool area?
Yes.
And of course, what other elements of landscaping products are we going to use in this application? So like over here, we've got pavers, yeah, garden beds, a little bit of, retaining walls. So yes, we've got obviously different types of grasses for different purpose. But yes, it also comes down to client's preference. So do we want a longer pile, shorter pile, wider blades, darker green? So yes, but we can definitely help with selecting correct product.
Thank you. So if you're considering a synthetic turf option for your home, just think about how you use your space first and foremost. Secondly is understanding the profile type. But better yet, we've got help here at the Build and Design Centre with Agata from Urban Turf Solutions to help you get the right selection for your home.